Alright, what is up guys? Today is Friday 12/19/2025 and we traded what hold up, let me just write that down. ES. We traded New York sesh and the daily bias was bearish at first, but we switched it to bullish. Um we were looking for buys. So on the daily, we were in a downtrend because we broke in structure here, and we're just coming up into maybe this order block. Who knows? But we're coming up, and I low key just like I'm like, bro, I'm not trading shorts today. So I'm gonna trade longs. I'm gonna try to get some longs because I feel like today is trying to push higher. So at first I was looking for shorts around. I was looking here and before Asia Sash. But on the 4 hour we broke structure to the upside right here in London sesh. And then beginning of New York sesh, I think we broke structure here to the upside on both of them. On Nasdaq we broke a little higher. We filled extra highs. These green markings are all the highs that it filled for the 4 hour. And let's go to the 1 hour. Boom. Yeah, so what I saw is so this one came up, boom boom to boom boom boom, you know. I'm like, alright, it's slowly just going up and buyers are winning. And then Asia said, or London search opens, it's coming down, and I'm like, alright, so it's either gonna come down and then reverse up, or it's gonna come down, reverse up, and then reverse, like, sweep this and then reverse down. So I'm like, alright, so hopefully that happens because we're still in the bearish perspective. And yeah, we broke structure to the upside, by the way. We're in a uptrend. We never broke structure here until this candle arised, which is a very big candle. After that, kind of just like, it was horrible. Same with here, boom. This candle didn't actually break structure here though, so, but it breaks structure here, or on Nasdaq. Right there. But, so yeah, market opens at 9:30, 6:30 my time, because I'm on PST, PCGs, PST, boom. Market opens immediately, just like makes a big dick to the upside, as we can see here. Oh, it actually looks a lot nicer here. Alright, but so they come up and I'm like, alright, let's just change the bias. This thing swept all this liquidity and closed above it. I'm like, alright, we gotta switch the bias. Same with this one. On ES, swept this. And I'm like, alright, let's switch the bias. So I switched it. I'm like, let's just look for longs. I don't think this is gonna go down. And if it does go down, I shouldn't. I'll just, that's my mistake. So, we'll just, fuck Nasdaq. We'll just look at ES because that's where we traded. So we'll go down to the 5 minute, show you what I saw. So, we see it coming up on the 5 minute, and there's like little downtrends coming up. And like, for like little order blocks, maybe you can come down and push there. During here, I'm like, oh, hopefully it does that. I'm like, oh, right here, oh, hopefully it does that. Never did it. I don't think it ever came, yeah, it didn't even come down. What did Nasdaq come down to there? Yeah, but there wasn't an order block here. On the 1 minute, it might have been a 1 minute order block. Ooh. Yeah. 1 minute. Looks like a 1 minute little accumulation zone. Got hit. Yeah. Could have traded off that. That probably would have been a good trade to hit. Wait till it boom, come down, oh, doesn't hit there. Oop, comes up, comes down, boom. Accumulates here. Alright, but we'll just show you the trade that I took, what my mindset was. So we started accumulating right here. Alright, I'm just gonna hold on, I'm gonna delete everything so it's a little easier for you guys to see this because there's a lot of shit here. Alright, so look, this empty map, ready? So I see accumulation. Where the hell? Oh my god, obviously all my tools are here. Little accumulation zone right here. But also, if you look on the 5 minute, you gotta be shitting me, bro. Are you all set? Right when I do is like right when I'm trying to do something, the one time of the day. Or well, yeah, it's an order block here. It's accumulation on the 1 minute, and I'm like, oh, all right, let's see, maybe it'll come down. It makes a little baby fair value gap on the 5 minute right here, like very small, but you know, it's still fair value gap. Comes down, fills the fair value gap. Gan box from previous low to previous high. Comes down into this equilibrium zone here, and this is a wick for the 5 minute, but on the 1 minute, holy shit. On the 1 minute, look, comes down into it fully right here. This is what I kind of traded off of. I traded off, look, came in, hit the middle part, whatever, filled this fair value gap on the 5 minute, filled this fair value gap on the 1 minute, and then did it fill anything else? And that's not really fair. But yeah, I filled those, hit equilibrium, hit this order block right here. I'm like, alright, let's wait 2 candlesticks and then see if where the market goes. So I waited this candlestick, boom, and then this candlestick, boom. After it closed, I'm like, ooh, alright. I should have saw, oh, strong rejection. I should have wait maybe for confirmation again, or I should wait see if there's anything else that might happen. But instead, I low-key just waited these two, and I did the trade here. As you can see, boom, boom, boom. It came up at one point, and I'm like, oh, yes, sir. And then it came down, I got stopped out. And then after I got stopped out, it came down. Alright, so what I could have done better is I could have waited for this SMT divergence. It's gonna get annoying. But here there was never, like, it didn't actually fill anything on Nasdaq, but on S&P it did. You know what? I'm just gonna eliminate this problem. I'm just not gonna trade. Yes, I'm only gonna trade Nasdaq. I think Nasdaq is much easier. Maybe just focus on one instead of focusing on more. But that's not what happened. I could have maybe just saw like, oh, a huge rejection right here. Maybe wait a couple more and then wait. Boom, boom. I could have waited till here. I'm like, oh, it's going down. Let's see what happens. Comes back into the order block. Maybe I don't want to do that because there's no fair value gap. I wait a little more. Market's not closed yet. Market closed at 11. Look, I got all that time. Look at that, till 11. I could have waited. Oh, look, it comes all the way down here. Alright, looks like a little liquidity sweep comes up. And then maybe enter right here. Look, it fills this fair value gap. Right here. Here, I'll just mark it out so you guys can see it. This is a fair value gap. Boom. Comes in, leaves it, comes back into it. This is a huge order block right here. What are we on? What time frame? We're on the 1 minute. Comes out of the order block, comes back into the order block, fills the entire fair value gap, and from low to high, comes back into equilibrium. I could have waited till this candle closed, seen what the next candle does, see that it comes up, and maybe enter when it leaves the discounted price zone. Or I'm be like, alright, well, I wanted to wait 2 candlesticks and stick to my plan, and wait, comes down again, and then it comes down again into this order block right here, filling what this fair value gap from here to here, boom, coming in to once again equilibrium discounted price zone. Wait 2 candlesticks, boom, boom, enter off of this, stop loss right below this, take profit 1, boom, and I could have won. So that's what I could have done better. See you guys.